guys, my name's Alex, and today we are gonna be lighting my hamster in our Christmas maze because it's Christmas today. This is opening, it's opening, and now we have to put her in the maze somehow. Please don't poop on me. Alright, it's a little castle maze. Alright, he's liking it, I think. Alright guys, so we have a little hamster stocking because we have stockings and the hamster. She has some gifts inside. So yeah. Wait, she already has some yoji. So how about we give her some blueberry yo-dips. They're still really pretty and the hamster just whacking around. You cannot escape. We have to hide some of these youngs. Not very well because it's a mouse. We're gonna try to get the hamster a yoji or a yo-dip, and yeah. You do good, mouses, don't escape. She's eating it. She stuffed it in her cheeks, I think. I think she's gonna stuff it in her cheeks. You need cheeksies. This one's a double. This one should be right there because it's a big one. Little cutie, you cannot escape. Okay. She doesn't want it. Oh, you guys. I think she wants these because they're open. No, don't you dare. Little Yoji. You like my feet. Please don't want it. Santa is not gonna give you, is not helping, doesn't want you to escape, cutie. At least this big one. I think she just wants to sleep. Merry Christmas, little mouse. This is gonna sleep. Bye. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. Any holiday that you celebrate. Happy every holiday. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. And bye.